All right, guys, so I'm going to be testing out a battery jumper box here that I got from a company. Now, a lot of companies contact me wanting me to try out equipment, and they'll send it to me for free, and I avoid all of those. But there are some things that I see out in the field that I think are going to work good, and I'll contact the company and ask them if they can send one to me. Now, those I'll test because I've seen them work, and I really want to test them to see how good they are. So I'm going to do a couple videos on at least one product that I have now, this battery jumper. Now, and the reason I'm doing this is because you've seen a lot of videos out there where people boast up items because they got them for free and they say they're great, but they never really use them. And for example, there's a diagnostic tool, it's called an X tool, and you use it for diagnosing vehicles. And there were a ton of videos on it. Everybody said how good it was, and they were showing all the different things it can do, but nobody really showed it working on a car and how they use it to diagnose problems in a car. So I made the mistake of buying one of those, and after spending the $600 something on the tool, because I really needed one, it really doesn't do much more than my OBD2 Bluetooth reader and my app on my phone. I mean, I can do just about everything on that, and that, was minimal amount of money. So that's when I started thinking, you know what, if I see these things that I think are going to work, I'm going to contact the company, let them send it to me. I'll not have them contact me because of my YouTube channel. So let's test out this box. I got a couple of cars. I got a G35 that's been dead for a long time. I got a BMW X4 that has enough power, but it won't crank. It's a push button start. And I got a mower that's been sitting for probably, dead battery's been in that thing for probably 4 or 5 years. And every time I want to jump it and use it, I jump it off another vehicle. So we're going to test it on a couple things at all different levels, and we'll see how it works. Like I said, I saw a tow company use one of these, and I thought, man, there's no way these little boxes can work, because I've had one in the past and it didn't work. But this one seemed like it worked, and so we're going to give it a shot.